In this video, the Gift for Guest DIY Gift Ideas is exploring to you plan the wedding of your dreams and still have some money left over for the honeymoon, so I've been busy looking for great DIY wedding project ideas. What I found recently are amazingly cheap DIY wedding favors you can make in a jiffy. What's even better about these wedding favors, and if you're planning a wedding, I get so excited when I know that a wedding is happening, and this collection of DIY wedding favors makes me doubly excited. They're just so inexpensive to make and so wonderfully unique. Your guests are going to adore them, and they'll adore you that much more for thinking of them. From birdseed hearts to candles and even a great mixed tape of your wedding songs, there are so many ways to customize your wedding favors and make your guests really feel a part of your big day. And speaking of the big day, if you've ever considered doing your own dress, be sure to check out this beautiful crocheted wedding dress a girl made in her spare time. It's all weddings at night. So if you're planning a wedding and you want to stay under budget, these are definitely the wedding favors you need to consider. I hope you love them as much as I do, and I hope you will share your favorite free DIY wedding favors your guests. One DIY romantic wedding mixed tape. What better blessing to your wedding visitors than a CD of the very melodies that you had played during the function? Blended tapes have been around for quite a long time, and that is exactly what this DIY wedding favor is. You essentially copy CDs, anyway, large numbers of them you need, of your wedding melodies. At the point when you're arranging the CD that you will use in the service and gathering, simply make a few extra duplicates. You can even make a flawless CD case for everyone. 2 homemade birdseed hearts. These little birdseed hearts are the ideal. Not only are they hearts, which represent love, they're likeness to the ecosystem, thus reasonable, so make. You simply blend the birdseed up and afterward form with dough shapers or silicone molds. Bind a pleasant strip or piece of twine to the top and you're ready. 3 DIY Wood Bud Vases. These little bud containers fill 2 needs. They can assist with your guest plans at the gathering. They're truly simple to make and are ideal for beautifying for a provincial wedding. In addition, visitors will love bringing home a blossom from your wedding as a suggestion to them of your exceptional day. 4 easy DIY soy candle wedding favors. Everybody adores a decent smelling soy flame, so these DIY wedding favor candles make certain to be valued by your visitors. They're quite simple to make and the provisions are not under any condition costly, particularly on the off chance that you have a couple of little glass containers available. Simply fill your containers with your light blend and afterwards add a pleasant name or another plan to the actual container. Tie on a little thank you message with a piece of twine or dainty strip. 5 handmade coaster wedding favors. These little napkins are truly simple to make and are the ideal DIY wedding favor on the off chance that you need something modest and exceptional. They're produced using square ceramic tiles, which you can get at any home improvement store for under $1 each. Use Mod Podge to gather your plan and afterward 2 or 3 of them into a unit with strip, twine, or burlap, relying upon your wedding style, to provide for your visitors as they leave. 6 DIY cocktail kits. These little mixed drink packs are ideal for giving your grown-up visitors something to recollect your extraordinary day. The elements for mojitos or some other mixed drink aren't appallingly costly, especially in the event that you decide not to give the alcohol. Simply print up the bearings for may will cherish you for this one, and they'll consider you when they are unwinding and making the most of their subsequent to wedding mixed drinks.
subscribe. Please like. Thank you for watching.